Hello guys, this is Kunjan Shah. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk. So 36 topic is be a good detective in your professional life, whatever it is. Always be curious. When you meet with someone, think of think of yourself as bubbling but friendly private detective. Ask questions. Ask questions. And then ask a follow-up questions. And then let the answer make you even more curious. Let the answer suggest even more questions. This will motivate you to higher level of consciousness and interest. This will motivate you to higher level of consciousness and interest. When you prepare a meeting with someone, prepare your questions. Cultivate your curiosity. Cultivate your curiosity. Don't ever be at loss for question to ask. Don't ever be at a loss for question to ask. Most of us do the opposite. We prepare our answers. We rehearse what we are going to say. We polish our presentation and strengthen it, not realizing that our host would much rather talk than listen to us. Our host would much rather talk than listen to us. If you are in business, you know that when prospective customers contact for long-term service, they want a company that's truly interested in them. They want a company that's truly interested in them, that understand them, that will be a good consultant to them. It will be a good consultant to them. To show a prospect that you are genuinely interested, you must be the person who asks the most thoughtful question, who ask who asks the most thoughtful questions to convince a company that you understand it. You will ask the best follow-up questions based on its answer to convince a company that you will be a good consultant to them over the course of the contract. You will have outlined your competitors by inventiveness and quantity of your question. By inventiveness and quantity of your questions, your curiosity will get you in the business. Your curiosity will get you the business, but you can't just rely on impulsive, on the sports questioning. You can't, but you can't just rely on impulsive or on the spot questioning. Being prepared is the secret. Preparing your question is even more important than preparing the presentation of your service. Indiana's former basketball coach Bobby Knight always said, the will to win is not as important as the will to prepare to win. The will to win is not as important as the will to prepare to win. This will not only use in business. If you are about to have an important conversation with your spouse or teenagers, it will be very useful to prepare your curiosity rather than your presentation. When you prepare your curiosity, you always seem to have one more question to ask before you leave. Just like a Lieutenant Columbo from the old TV show, now showing in reruns on cables, as the character played by Peter Falk, Columbo disarmed his subject by asking so many seemingly impromptu questions. Columbo disarmed his subjects by asking so many seemingly impromptu questions, like a disorganized but innocently charming child. He would ask about the tiniest thing. As he prepared to leave, he always paused at the door as if mindedly remembering something he forgot to ask. Excuse me, sir. He would say apologetically, would it convenience you if I asked you one more question? Great relationship builders ultimately learn that the sale most often goes to the most interested party, and the quantity and quality of your question will measure your level of interest. You might be thinking that this does not apply so much you because this does not apply so much to you because you are not in business or you don't sell for living. But heed the words of Robert Louis Stevenson: everybody lives by selling something. In Follow the Yellow Brick Road, Richard Saul Wurman writes about physicist Isidor Isaac Rabi, who won the Nobel Prize for inventing a technique that permitted scientists to probe the structure of atoms and molecules in the 1930s. Rabi attributed his success in physics to the way his mother used to greet him when he came from the school each day. Did you ask any good question today, Isaac? By asking question in your relationships, you are already creating the relationship and you are already self-motivated. You don't have to wait for other person to make it happen. Thanks.